Starting with some breaking news input, forces are intensifying crackdown on terror in the valley even as forces battle terrorists in Kulgam encounter. Another encounter is currently underway in the Gopalpura area. 2 terrorists are said to be trapped and we're picking up more details. This is a developing story and Zeenat is tracking it for us from J&K. Zeenat, over to you. We're talking about 2 encounters and I believe 5 terrorists are trapped if we talk about both these encounters in totality. But please help us understand what's going on.
Christine, this is a breaking news from the Kulgam of South Kashmir, where the 2 operations were going on, anti-terror operations carried by SOG Kulgam along with the Indian Army. One was in Gopalpura, Kulgam, another one is in Pomai. And in both the operations, the 5 terrorists have been neutralized by the SOG Kulgam along with the other security forces. This is a big breaking because we are seeing the very swift operation coming from the South Kashmir's Kulgam. The 2 operations rather in the same district without any collateral damage. The security forces, Jammu Kashmir Police along with the Indian Army have been able to carry the operation where 5 terrorists as of now have been neutralized. Operation is likely over. So big success for the forces in South Kashmir where 5 terrorists have been killed, and simultaneously in Pulwama 2 OGWs of LET have been neutralized. Talking about the Pomai, the HM terrorists were trapped and now 3 have been killed, and similarly in Gopalpura 2 terrorists who were earlier trapped to have been neutralized by SOG Kulgam.
All right, Zeenat, breaking down all those details. Zeenat, stay on with us. 5 terrorists in total have been neutralized by our forces. Yes, we're talking about 2 encounters, and Major General G.D. Bakshi is also joining us on the phone line. A big win for our forces, sir, as our troops intensify crackdown on terror. We're looking at 2 encounters in which 5 terrorists in total have been gunned down.
Absolutely. This is a very good payback by the troops for all the targeted killings that they were trying to do, trying to trigger an exodus of the ethnic minorities from the valley, the Hindu minority of Pandit. Those dastardly targeted killings have been avenged. 5 terrorists have been knocked out. It is quite a major blow to the terror network in the valley. And the troops are going all out to hit back. The Empire strikes back. And we will have, as I have said earlier, the shelf life of any of these killers who tries to be a hero, who tries to kill the innocent civilians and children. We will get it back within hours. And maximum in a few days, his dead body will litter the streets. That is an assurance that the Indian Armed Forces will give him now, because we will not accept this. We will not accept this inhumane treatment of minorities, this ethnic cleansing. The people of Kashmir themselves are sick and tired of this game of murder and mayhem. And people are now hitting back. The armed forces will hit back harder. They need to be brought to justice.
Major General G.D. Bakshi, thank you for speaking to us. Yes. Thank you, sir, for speaking to us on Republic TV this evening. Zeenat also continuously reporting on that story. But before I go to her, Major General S.P. Sinha is also joining us on the phone line. Good evening to you, sir. General Sinha, what do you make of this development? 5 terrorists in 2 different encounters have been neutralized by our forces. Meanwhile, we're also being told in Pulwama, forces have arrested 2 Lashkar-e-Toiba overground workers, sir.
It is a great job done. Kudos to armed forces, kudos to Indian Army, security forces and intelligence agencies. Very good job, firstly. Secondly, the way Operation All Out is keeping up in Jammu.
We seem to have lost that line with Major General Sinha. Zeenat, if I could come to you. We're trying to get in a word from our defense experts because this certainly is an example of how our forces are intensifying crackdown on terror, and that's the pattern we've seen them follow, the past so many months and beyond. But Zeenat, tell us about what's going on apart from this encounter. First up, if the encounter is underway or has concluded, and secondly, more on the arrests that have taken place in Pulwama.
See, as of now, we are seeing the operation likely over in both areas, both villages of the Kulgam. The operation was launched by SOG Kulgam along with the Indian Army, where earlier in Pomai, there were 3 terrorists that were trapped of HM, and similarly in Gopalpura, 2 were trapped. Now, both the operations are almost over, and with the recoveries of dead bodies, other arms and ammunitions to have been recovered. When we talk about the Pulwama, the 2 OGWs of LET Lashkar Toiba have been arrested by the Pulwama police along with the security forces there. This was during the Naka party has apprehended these OGWs. In fact, the 2 ready-to-use IEDs to have been recovered from them. One of the OGW is from Pulwama, who's been identified as Amir. The another one is from the Shopian. So it is more like a success for the forces, with those who are working in South Kashmir, that the back-to-back operations without any collateral damage. And similarly, LET OGWs too have been arrested in South Kashmir.
All right. So yes, details coming in as this is a developing update we're tracking from JNK. Remember, we're talking about 2 encounters. The first one, of course, from Kulgam. The second one, also Golpara and Kulgam, is where the second encounter essentially started. And in total, we're looking at our forces neutralizing as many as 5 terrorists. Thank you, Zeenat. For the moment, we'll keep coming back to you when we pick up more information on the same.